let him cook. Son, let him cook!
An amazing teacher. I love math. Thanks, Mr. Ing. Like and subscribe.
Good morning, Rebels. This is Monday, August 11th, 2025, and this is your week at a glance. Hey, stats students, be yourself and don't worry if someone else doesn't like you. Most people are struggling to like themselves. Mr. Frankenstein's time.
It's time for game plans.
This is our game plan. Just like a coach tells you how the players are going to do it, this is my game plan. This is week number 2. So oftentimes I call these WAG, week at a glance. August 11th to August 15th, 2025. We're gonna get you into Coursera, and we have 8 courses to get through, but first course is called Data Everywhere, week 1. We're introducing you to data analytics. So with my game plan, I have some school news, down to 2 news. Back to school night, not this Tuesday, but the following Tuesday. Mark your calendars. I can meet your parents. Hey, when the bell rings, you should have all that stuff away. You should be in your seats when the bell rings. First quarter progress reports will be around Labor Day, so get your grade in by then. We finished 3 days of school, 6% done. That should say first semester, 3% of first semester is done, and 1.7% of your senior year is done. Hey, if you get detention this week, you want to clear those by Friday. If you don't clear it by Friday, then basically it doubles, and then I take away from your participation points. You can erase the detention by coming to one of my clubs. I am looking for new leadership for future Rebel educators, someone who might be wanting to become an administrator, counselor, teacher. Okay, so we have this numbering system. Is going to tell you the course, and then probably better is like this module, not week, and then a lesson. So this week we're going to be on 1.1 and 1.2. So course 1, and then the week number. We already talked about our central question: how can you understand data analytical thinking? Okay, so last week we did a seeing chart, math story. I graded that one, so if you want me to grade it, you're going to have to do late work multiplication tables. The scavenger hunt, I probably won't grade until Monday night, even though it was due on Friday, so that's like, green light, and then 3:33 when it was due, it goes to yellow light, and then when I grade it, which I'm telling you, Monday night, that'll be red light. So normally I won't tell you. And then the infographic, I forgot what I told you, but we'll go to eCadence in a second. We did a school-wide presentation, and then, hey, I highlighted this one in pink because there's a discussion there from last week. I'm going to make it due this coming Friday, the 15th. We also signed up for bathroom passes. This week, you have your first guided notes, so when you come into class, I'm going to have that by the door so you pick it up. And then kind of pace yourselves. You're pretty much doing, about 2 pages a day is what you should gear it towards. You should be bringing your Chromebook and your headphones and only focusing on those things. And then you'll have 2 discussions. So you have 1.2 and 2.2. Wednesday, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz on what you learned and catch up, probably at the end of class. And then I'll show you what this is in eCadence. This is Get to Know Mr. Ing. It's a Google form. And then I'll be passing out your next guided notes when you guys come in. And then those 2 discussions are due. Let's take a field trip to eCadence here. Okay, here you are on eCadence. If you click on the left side, modules, you should only have 2 folders open. If you didn't know, there's a collapse all. So you have the home page, and then we're in module 0. That was last week. And I wanted to open it up. We'll talk about how to use Coursera in class today, and that was a discussion. So basically, if you do a discussion, you need to write 100 words. Read the article, write down 3 facts, 2 questions, and 1 takeaway. That should take you about 100 words. And then when you're finished, respond to 2 classmates. So to get full credit, you have to respond to 2 of your classmates with a 10-word minimum. So that was in last week's. Okay, this one's new. It's going to be a Google form. You watch a video getting to know me, schools I've taught at, things I like, and then you fill out a Google form. But when you guys fill out the Google form, it doesn't update your grade right away. So I manually have to grade this, and you guys will understand in this class in the data analytics, is I have to take that data manually, clean the data, and then upload it. So even though you finish it, it won't say that it's going to be missing. Scavenger hunt. Okay, infographic is due Tuesday night, or Tuesday at 3:30. So have that done. Okay, so the next one I'm going to be publishing, or it should be, is course 1 and then WAG 2. You have in here, it will be this week at a glance video that I record every week, and in here will be the video, and then if you want to see the slides themselves, it will be in the description of the YouTube video. That won't be there, so don't worry about that. Okay, so I want you to do a couple of other assignments this week. E-sign syllabus, fill out the Google form, tell me your parents' information, how to best contact you. Motivational quote will also be due Friday, so I don't have those, so I'll be due Friday. This one I'm probably going to skip till next week. There's the discussion that we talked about. And then if you need help scanning your work, let me know. That's all I have for you guys. We'll see you later. Bye.
That's all for today, Rebels. Have a mathematical Monday.
M is for measurement units. A is for complex algorithms. T is for translations, transversals, and trapeziums. H is for the height of any shape that you desire. And math is all that is surrounding you. Math is so much more than 2 plus 2. You can understand it. Take that number and divide it. Math was made for me and you.